Hey guys, welcome back to Code Dhaba. You're watching Ruby Chapter 3. In this chapter, we are going to discuss arrays. So, array is a collection of elements that comes under same name. In array, we can assign any number of integers and any number of strings to a single variable. So, it's very important because we can perform many functions using array. So, let's start. So, array starts with a big bracket. So we have to write a equals big bracket on, and then I'm assigning strings Rahul and numbers, and I can assign anything inside an array and it will store in the value of a, that is a variable. So right now I'm writing integers and finally string. Okay, so I close my array with a big bracket also. So do remember that array starts within a big bracket and we can assign array to a single variable. Now on pressing enter, we got our value of a, that is elements present inside a, put as a. When I try to show the value of array, we can see the values of array. When we use put as, it comes in new line. When we use print, it comes in the same line. Okay, remember array always has an index. If I wanted to show, if I don't want to show whole string but single variable or value that is stored in an array, I can easily access that by writing its index within the big bracket. So I am writing 0. Okay, remember array starts with a 0 index. So first element inside an array will have 0 index, and second will have first, and so on. So here 0 index is assigned to Rahul, so that's why I got Rahul. Now when I write put as 3, it is 0 1 2 3, that is 12. Put as a5, so on the 6th position, that is on index 5, I got code Dhaba. So you can see how much important array is. So let's create one more array. I am giving array value of b. Okay, 1 2 3 4 5 are the elements of array. When I use print b, it printed my array in a single line. Otherwise it would have printed in new lines because of puts. Okay, so let's print b once again. Now dot each, it is a method, but we can call it as each iterator. An iterator is just a Ruby method that repeatedly invokes a block of code, and dot each method which can apply an expression to each element of an object one at a time. So we used b dot each. Now I call a single value of array b, that is I call 1. Now it is stored in z, and z is equals to z into 5, that is now it's 5. So put as 5. Now I call 2 will go to z, and z is equals to z into 5, that is 10. Put as 10 for 3 4 and 5. I got by expression 5 10 15 20 25. It is not an array, it is not stored in any array, but it's an operation which we perform with an array. So similarly, one more example of dot each iterator. Okay, now this time I am assigning value of 1 to z and performing operation, that is z plus 10. Okay, so dot each method call my first element, that is 0 index element. So 0 index element is 1 will go in z plus 10 11. So again the output is not an array, it is just of output of our operation we performed. Okay, so moving on to times iterator. Dot times method is like a super compact for loop. It can perform a task on each item in an object a specified number of times. Okay, I am going to write any number to which I wanted to repeat, that is right now I wanted to repeat 10 times anything. So I am going to repeat 10 times my name Rahul. So when I press enter, I got my name 10 times. Similarly, we can do it with the loops, but it's very small. Dot times method is easy and small. It will not take much time. It is time efficient. So we will use this dot times method, not loops, in these types of thing. Now string is equals to my name is Rahul. Let's assign my name is Rahul string to a string variable. Now we got output. So Ruby has a built-in method for this called dot split. It takes in a string and returns into an array. That is, its syntax is text dot split, and what from where we wanted to split. So here I'm going to write words equals okay, string dot split. Okay, we are going to split the string. Okay, the expression within the brackets, that is two quotes, we use two quotes with space between them, so that it is going to find space in a string, in my string, and divide it into an array. So now I got my name is Rahul divided into an array. So now what if I wanted to access them? I can use again dot each iterator. So I will go for words dot each. We are assigning each words element to word, and now we are going to show word, that is assigned value of words. So I got my array. So thanks for watching.